Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your GMX mail account. So you have a GMX mail account that you use for your personal use or for your business, and you want to log into your GMX mail account but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to log into your GMX mail account in very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and we'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to log into your GMX mail account is open a browser and go to gmx.com. So once you go to gmx.com, you'll land on an interface like this. Now here in the top right corner, you'll have two options, one to sign up and one to log in. So in order to log into your GMX mail account, what you need to do is tap on the login option. But if you don't have a GMX mail account, and in order to create one, what you need to do is tap on the sign up option. Then you will be taken to an e-form. Fill that form up and you'll be able to create a GMX mail account. So once you create a GMX mail account, what you need to do is tap on the login button. Once you tap on the login button, a drop down like this will open. Here what you need to do is enter your GMX mail account email address in this text field, then enter the password to that account in this text field. Then what you need to do is tap on the login button. As soon as you tap the login button, you'll successfully log into your GMX mail account without any problem. So those were the simple steps in order to log into your GMX mail account in very easy way. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.